GC News, Viva Obibia Akwaba, Ahadie, latest and hot news in Kwa, and I'm the Bravo NT, so we now subscribe. Omodia say we subscribe to the channel. Dobia say over click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We are not new video be upload. When the first person I was abeka a video, I feel we are not like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us now when you be here. Now we and someone Akoto Aremeyaw Anas. I say you go right and someone abeto yepuno. Even in a NDC EC and some degree Akoto a registered and registered beto abano and no NDC for say by a audit and no EC for no so one and peneso. Now to say never be bra 1 year NDC for no abo so. Now when I don't Dramani Mahama one a US ambassador Asia ma on an Edwin Komo. Na no de beto eye ni Facebook page or dey some betu da nso no betu da no eye Kelvin Taylor react no de some to da na ye hwe eye John Dramani Mahama ne nsema a wo de ekoto page de so ne eye US ambassador ekra picture was he met with the US ambassador Virginia Palmer on Thursday in my office to discuss issues of national and international interest. Discussion focused on our concerns with the Electoral Commission preparedness for December 7 election. Getting any millions and some people are one HSA transfer be a consumer there and say register no ye audit it. I don't know 1% one day demonstration to across all the 16 regions of Ghana. 1% one day the more issues of the day. Now when I saw food so I method so for back or no work food ya or no so at some better drama kiti area jama just kiti I had a passer. Now so for what you say demonstration and here it should be dialogue. Let us say a family no one chance in only 5 years for year and 2 years. Now demonstration ye chero emwa. Now when the deal we fu a so fu ya to say why so fu pasa. Now you can go here a TT the way so far don't Dramani Mahama name sema what. Now face so a so fu ya no so ka say demonstration here e be ya dialogue. You should sit down and talk. Now you 5 years and 2 years. And this is John Dramani Mahama today meeting the US ambassador and John Mahama is the ambassador or Ojina US for a name of Ghana. We meeting can we be no answer yako in some froso. Now John Mahama Amanai Claire met with US ambassador Virginia Virginia, Madam Virginia Palmer Virginia Palmer on Thursday in my office to discuss issues of national and international interest. Discussion focused on our concerns with the Electoral Commission's preparedness for the December 7 election. John Mahama will share US ambassador in Ghana and your friend a year Virginia. And your Virginia. Now on any share no mudin komono. In commanding nyina John Mahama saw that 2 minutes say America for mun show. Sebi una usi America for name Ghana. Yeah, they are practicing democracy. Me and I did the biggest opposition party in him. And the Electoral Commission be. And me Electoral Commission say, for your man to 2 years. Now sebi abana yekotono abano enya Frenchim. You could see that the NDC are taking steps to make sure say the upcoming elections it will be free, fair, and transparent. Into a whole leader. Sebio anko peso oya ade boni anko mo adwinfi bi se nka omobedi boni and ombe say democracy na the NDC leader who is John Mahama will never invite Eden or will never meet with the ambassador to discuss how our democracy can be sustained and sustained very well. Internet John Mahama Asia ambassador no okacha de say me ne me party NDC de yene yadwene mu fein ye pese abana ye koto no yensisi obi na obi so nsisi na Electoral Commission no ana Electoral Commission no da Ghana 4% omoregi abano pese omo wi abani mu ma NPP na yetumi ni omo krasa a kire omo se omo mbi omo nkratam anasa register no na yema the external auditors embe forensic audit omo behwem enwu se de wo kratam mu nyina ye krogen ansa na ekoto aba no the Electoral Commission se omo nye ndi John Mahama akacha America for no nobody in Ghana should blame John Mahama because the NDC they are taking all the democratic steps to make sure say chaos bia ebeba out of this election no and free omoho into your Ghana nia so pe party ana nipaku a mo person to kwasi wo Ghana when you see Ghana December 7th ECJ Mensah Bossman Asari and the NPP led by Bawumia they are the ones omo pese omano ebo into ende Medin ka catch them and these four have taken all the steps.
Hot news all
now,
time.
after John Mahama Asia, the US ambassador, no, the chairman of the NDC, Johnson Asiedin Ketiaso Akasa, and I quote, or say, our issue with the EC should be solved, else the party leadership should not be blamed for any violence. We are chairman of the NDC, or say, yani EC asema da osisi e pese ye nyina Ghana for kan hubom ne hwe eye registered mu a EC se omom pene omagye atum se om de krono no beso mbo Asiedin Ketia say, as the chairman of the great NDC, no, say assembly because of EC's refusal to make sure the democratic process and I say the transparent process leading to the election, no, you follow or see or catch a software or catch a handful or catch Ghana pin for ex-president for Moteti Ebri Ghana ahema sebio ebimo etitin kurasini krum say Etija 2024 December 7th, Memma Obian Blemu NDC leadership. If you said the NDC be anomoye, what the NDC are asking for is a simple thing that should be done. The NDC are saying, be a registered him, Nayama an independent auditing firm, Embeshum, and we say BBI a is the NDC asking for Jesus Christ to come and dine with them? If the EC is transparent about what they are doing, or some can say yes, you need BBI EC, but the EC akamoto atwom and Jen Mensah Eddie Pokle aye ye nenti eni ne niase edo ne nam Ghana na se ne niasiu se sebio ori nkwara namo and oti Ghana na ojimi all because Nana Addo Kweku Addo achichide no oni sa NPP fo ejimi fo odwen se Ghana fo moma ye nyina yankasa na EC anye sade na election day chaos is here. No fool should blame the NDC leadership. Obanyansa for you bunibe yenkana sep. Timatama na musu. De bia mo pese ebu musu munwene. Na mo hwa de 2018. Where 2018? Why na kan sa asem we? Challenges facing Ghana are temporal. Reverend Asarikusi. Yes, sofu bi. Or your method is sofu. 2018 na Ghana for ebre. Na yesika sam asaya Akufo Addo abeje power. Software also a matter is software penyini o ka kire Ghana for so brand de temporal mo bia nkasa. O say brand de temporal. Time na Akufo Addo mo estatis almost say Ghana edi Ghana sika nyoma essay dollar na ekoso no software penyini begina asori anim. O so na Methodist Church of Ghana. On ne di omunim obeka kire Ghana for say oh how are you February 2018 temporal we de enim ye so betwa. Ono na se ohu anyame animu ono na se honhon kronkron ne kasa wu ono na se ono de ot bible na se chen ono na se ono de kronkron chen Methodist of penyini 2018 o kan asem no na Ghana for buse Akufo Addo questions
watching juicy news on YouTube hot news
and the yaba 2024
watching juicy news on YouTube
software and the galamsey esi so den your friend Reverend Dr. Emmanuel Asarikusi Koforidia Diocese Diocesan Bishop of the Methodist Church to NDC or say we won't need demonstration at this time, we need dialogue. So for no on na hwe eye Koforidia de no so 2018 na Akufo Addo mu say sikan sa so for ya e na o ka kire Ghana for say oh Akufo Addo say o man no by o de temporal obey ni ye and NDC for the evidence about kire Ghana for say EC de omo ye no ebeman tokwesi momo yenko bi omo nkrata mu na yentie yenhwe de omo ye na software ese ono ka kire NDC for say yenhia demonstration bia yenhia dialogue erade onyanko pompa so nkwasi asem so
dada no mo so mo priaba nkaka two parties one aye there ba ko de bi na NDC for MPP for yes I want come to you MPP NDC give us peace for the sake of the children give us peace. We need peace more than your so-called power. More Jinja, so what we need now is dialogue and not demonstrations. I repeat, what we need now for peace is what? Dialogue and not demonstration. So I call on my brothers NGC. Demonstration will help us. Demonstration will help us. If you have issues, go and sit down with the Electoral Commission for they are not perfect in our mistakes. I demonstrations. So demonstrations, we are saying that it has to be called up. Amen. We don't need demonstrations. We don't need demonstrations at this time. We need dialogue. Now, I'm also proud of that man. Virginia, Papa Namino Kumasi Cathedral, Honorable Boafo. Maybe I'm about Cathedral or Papa Boafu, Honorable Tetedio, Neba, DBA chairman. Now, not be militant. And what dialogue always pays. Right have one equal for the main. Finally, the moment said, will come and sit down and talk. And the problem we saw is that if we violence has never helped, demonstrations has never helped. That is what we bring peace. We don't door, not war. We need peace for these our children. So this day that we have inaugurated this beautiful library as a symbol of hope for our children.
I sorry for them to among you Jimmy for. Oh, so Utiene Casemwa. He spent more time listening to politics than Yami Juma. Also, sorry for not also with Jimmy. Unimiansa. And I never say in Penifo say Omuti Krum. I almost saw so for politics and a tribe ni Jimmy. On be the Ojani Penimum Korenim, on to be Jimmy, on to be Afariamano.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
You could see
Hot news
he's very abreast of the issues. He has no problems with the EC. EC ni penny bi wo pusiga area in Kofo be 3,000 diakoshe baby. He has no problem with that. He has no problem with Dipa Ekuomu during 2020. Only problem. What will it? Niti said dansen a esi nikenika yatena so mana mwa. He has no problem with the EC. Ye wusa okwa atofosin the constituency ye yin Kofo diakoshe baby. You could see or follow politics or your politics or your onyanya minipa. San Kofo we na tete Ghana din kwasi asemu se kuro no. He is very abreast of the issues. But he has no problem with the issue the NDC has raised. It's in no see. We want peace and we want dialogue. Jimmy, when did the NDC start telling Ghanaians to say easy from biobukum? Now also for nya kromfo anka kofori na wono anka asori na more auditor. So wonya kromfo na wonya wudini na wonya criminal a wosanka wo yehwe adwunsogu hu a adentina Methodist asori na wokofori no more auditor wo ho. Wonya ni papa wonya nyame ni pa wo ye kromfo e wo sanya me ku anadwoto wo mpem wonya ni papa o mpese Ghana bekoso enkwasea NPP politics na wo ye no uti se gbin tu ena wo betena keka nkwasea asem when NPP so Ghana na edin na di peace ba Yesu Kristo du Jerusalem wo unkan Bible Jot ne apeteshia ya wo ma otwetwe otwetwe emma nufu asore dem o hihye eye asore akika so kechi didi nkwase asem wo Yesu Kristo dudu Jerusalem okọ ne papa fie na nkofo di nkwase asem ede na Yesu Kristo yeye or violently reclaimed his father's house, and what happened? There was peace after. Why didn't the people negotiate? Because Yesu called no okodru ono when Yesu was telling them and asking them they ignored him. Yesu ura sorry dem wan okotwe afia na obu nkofo Bible na mudi didi homa mutia ese edan na motete Ghana didi nkwasi asem. Yesu ura Jerusalem ura ne papa sorry dan mu no odinka busa omo se de na moye. He wanted to have a communication with them. He wanted that dialogue with them. The people ignored Jesus Christ. And I'll say if dialogue fails, force is applied. The NDC continuously from 2020 they have cautioned the EC, brought out evidence to show them say we na mo ye no at the election be ko be ni say ko o kwasi at Ghana so ye sofo o kan news tie news chen obi a o dross mu kan be gina o say and a party number power o free mo na mugu matter disasori enim guase mo na mugu asori no mo kan ho bi na saa asofo akromfo nketenkete no etuma be bia nsori wo Ghana ama Methodist Anglican Roman ni nyina egu no people like you charlatans like you people mo hu no kure na mo mpesa mo beka why utitagwe se abegina na and a peace and a dialogue. Why did you refuse to tell the people say NDC for catch the easy so mo pese ye we ni anti krom ha onya akwara utu afudwene kokwetua woto I say we ni yatia ne Akufo Addo mo request for a new register now ntia man kwasi asem na mo so na mo hyehyeka sok utisa be Kwasi Adin Adano Sukusi, Akromfo Nkwa na Mosheshe Kasokechi. Why didn't you address the issue? Say NDC say isi nyadie we. Now we are software now what you sorry. Na so obi ba na oka say software. Me pese oni asori penyin ni asori nyina Sunday ebe. Ye pese ye bia asori bukrim. Na wo software ka say wo mpene a abra asori sika ejeje. Ni nyina ye nyina ye dia. Onya kromfo wo ye wi. Un deserve so be gina ni pe ni maka nyamesem. You are a criminal. Me ye nyini me awo me to Anglican mu. Aboas Diocese Anglican. Every month biano na yema asori auditor asori accountant ebegina asori enim na wa list nyoma ye de asori sike nyina ye minyini mi huye minyini wa Anglican. That is what they do at Roman. That is what they do at Methodist. Enya dia wo hwe so no we kromfo. The NDC are asking say ade na yisiri mbia buknim utisa be kwasi akeka akakra no wawu V8 font and time be beto ama o ene nkwasi tribe nti o sha sorry echi na okeka nkwasi asem na sorry na utim no. Why do you audit? I didn't think they be from headquarters busa say dey na ekoso because they need to know whether things are being done right. You are a filthy old man. Utise abe siafo motiti asori na moye politics adentira mo nkwasi NPP na faili mo nkwasi NPP na mudi nyini ye no. Monkwasi NPP na mode tribe hihye mu no mokoye nyamedwuma no mamfa monkwasi tribe na anto nchen ena modididi mu adi nkwasi asema be pie ha na nka onim nyansa ka ansa no beka asemwe ka so ka che se easy for se easy die na NDC for busa mu ntumi nye mombie nkratadim no monhwe omuwi asam fa na asem ko we de che so nyame eye Holy Ghost no esi wo so comfort se wo uni dwuma bia di anko school papa bia be di sofo abegina be keka nkwasi asem say dialogue na. How many times? I didn't want to refer in your statement. Crom 4. Disappointing, filthy charlatan. Utise abe. Kosianya nsakakra na mubi mwe Jimmy Dodo. Muna masa Ghana. Muna mama Akufo Addo egu krono. Some of you check you, some of you. And intina yenya asofo enketenketia Crom 4 ebie sorry ebu Ghana for no because the respect we had for I'm sorry to say Methodist, Anglican, Roman no, some of you. Some of Sa Presby, Anglican, Roman, Mona Namoye de Dien, Mona mo representing the gospel on this planet. I'm telling you. Anything about some in certain peace here. We didn't know. We didn't recognize them. Me my Sevada. We didn't recognize our sorry kete criminals Owusu Bempamon sorry. Nobody recognized them. It was when you people, some of you, decided to involve yourselves in stupid politics. NMA Roman, Anglican, Presby, Reverend Mate, he involved himself in politics. Also, better to say Reverend Mate, you become like a vegetable. Better to say afasi na usi dem. One kind of create. Onyanko ponko kurukona ye nyina eji community. Ewa sorry dem. Obeku atu actually. Because asama okano and free a gospel nim. On say sorry for the two omu so Jimmy. Afe na okasa omunje so amen. Na obi otu onim nyansa wo say we kromfo on kind of create. Uti tajwe se asesegwa. We are not stupid in this country. Munja Jimmy no. Sorry for my collection the ashamo sama nya dwuma bia wo wiase. All in the name some abedi sofo. Mumubi, you don't deserve to be a sofo. Me a kromfo. You, I will expose you. What's a sofo? Who are you? He? Mema wa sorry for them we say we a kromfo. Nkwasi apetesha no. O you say dem de oye. German 40 we want peace. Did the EC do the right thing? The NDC for Busano, Obi Musa Bida, NDC NPP Musa Bida. Didn't we do it? Akufo Addo Busa si change register John Mahama nye. Ada na mo Jimmy sa mo mpeni for na nka osamo kanya ansasem. Mumubi, ma yesem moa. Ena mugu Ghana na mo keka nkwase asem. Obi besie we di me sofo atem. Yesi Methodist sorry ketwa. Asori a ewiase nyina bu no. Na mo di Jimmy we akoto anu osunyane na odi nkwase asem. Utie na asemu a utie politics chen obia ena me call na me tie no na ye me de se GBA onim politician bia enso eba NPP asema no adane danchem odane mampam ofui onte me bompa ye deche election time it will fa utrim onkwase ade na mo de Ghana no.
Mr. Banu Bill peddled falsehood when he stated that the issue of Pusiga, which has to do with illegal transferring voters in absentia without their consent or notice, only happened in Pusiga. That was false.
Absolutely.
Because
that is the truth.
It's false. Honorable Opoku, our MP for Sunafo South, you can check. In the Sunafo South, 32 voters were illegally transferred in absentia without their consent to Insuatre. And they reported and gave all the details to the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission says, oh, we've corrected it. Till date, the EC has refused to give them the corrected version of the register. And they have not indicated when they will re-exhibit the so-called corrected register. So you don't even know whether that has been remedied. Number two, this argument that, oh, technology evolves and blah, 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 it's a totally flawed argument. You see, you people should be listening to yourselves when you are talking, when you try to defend the indefensible. When you say technology evolves, what it means is that with time, technology is improved.
Yeah.
So it cannot be getting worse, and your justification is that, oh, technology evolves. If we started doing transfer from God knows when, okay, and you yourself say that under Charlotte say, under Afriyie, we never had a situation where EC officers could sit in their district offices to transfer people in absentia without their consent illegally, because the system was robust, the technology at the time was robust, and that technology is evolving. Then in 2024, it cannot be justifiable that IT system, which was robust in 2016, 2012, 2020, 2008, is now so porous, so weak, that now EC officers can do illegal transfers that the system did not even allow them to do a decade ago. What that means is that the system is getting worse.
Yes, after killing 8 people.
And I don't believe that this is a problem of an IT system. It was deliberate.
What?
Because like he said, in the case of all those 38 people, these were people that government officials went to and said, we want to give you loans. Give us your voter IDs.
Please, it's not
people. How will you know? How will you know?
They say somebody.
How will you know?
The person who
you know the identity of the somebody.
I don't know the somebody.
These are party people, and I'm telling you that they are NPP people. And you are saying,
I do not have
say
that
you don't know.
What I know is what I'm telling you.
Say you don't know.
So
you see, this is what you get when you have rabid NPP foot soldiers managing the IT system of the EC. Let me tell you something. We talk about the IT system being audited for us to know the protocols for entry, who has entered and at what time did they enter, and did they have authorization to enter, and what did they do when they entered, to diagnose the problem and to come up with practicable solutions to prevent what has happened. This man is saying no. And you see, he's even defending government. It's not government. Let me tell you why. Do you know who is running the IT system of the EC? A man called Dr. Ofori. Dr. Ofori is a former NPP Tescon patron. Who is the one supporting him? Yakwache. Who is Yakwache? The son of Amfo Kwache, Akufo Addo's former personal assistant. Why is this man the director? Why is this man? Hold on. Why is this man, Mr. Banubio, the director for electoral services? Do you know where he was working? He's been a long-standing regional EC director in Ashanti region. 2024 election is coming. They bring him from Ashanti region. He's now director for electoral services. Why won't you have them defending these things?
Yes, absolutely.
So, again, you see, hold on.
Yes.
Honorable Bawumia someone made a very important point. Listen to me. I'm coming.
It's so bad. You are being petty. It's so bad.
We are not being petty here. You have bastardized the Electoral Commission by appointing people like me. Can Sammy Gyamfi, if Sammy Gyamfi, John Mahama makes me an EC commissioner, is that pettiness? You made Akufo a known NPP communicator who I was debating on radio in Sunyane, an NPP Tescom patron. You made him an EC commissioner. You've taken You've taken another NPP Tescom person. You've given him your IT system to run. We are raising that, and you are saying this pettiness. Are you serious? Are you serious? You think we don't know the things you did in Ashanti region when you were there? Hold on. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let me stay on issue. Yababi made a very important issue about the fact that the figures involved. Let's continue.
That is your
progress from there. The point is made. Let me make progress.
Because you cannot sit down here for them to just spill lies.
Yes. Have you two admitted Pusiga? How did an electoral officer sit in the confines of his... We detected Pusiga. If you claim that you are doing your own investigation, why didn't you detect Pusiga?
Exactly.
Because you are part of it. You did it. Look, and he has sat here and lied that it happened in only Pusiga. I've demonstrated to you as for South, your reporters can check. Ofori Chrome, they did illegal transfers. I have the data. You can go and check from across the country. But hold on, listen. Imagine that they are able to illegally.
That's disinformation.
Hold on, please. I didn't ask you.
He's talking.
Hold on, imagine that they are able. You see, they have over 40,000 police stations in Ghana. Just take half. That's 20,000. If they succeed with this illegal transfers they are doing on the quiet that people are not paying attention to, and they disenfranchise only 10 voters per polling station, that is 200,000 votes. Absolutely. In 2008, the margin between Akufo Addo and Atta for the first round was 40,000. You understand? And we know what they are doing behind the scenes. They have profiled 18,000 polling stations that they are doing these things at. What we are saying is that, look, there is no time for you to say, bring us the evidence of the manipulation we have done, which you have found, and then we will go and sit in our own offices and come and tell you after some weeks at the 11th hour that we have corrected those errors and give you that corrected register at a time where it will be impossible for you to probe the register and even get any remedy should there be problems in that register. So right now, you say you are interested in correcting errors. Sit with our experts, bring experts of the other political parties, your so-called NPP foot soldiers who you have turned into ICT consultants, bring all of them. Let's project it on the screen. Let us audit the register. More importantly, audit the IT system. That is even more important than the register. Because we have to make it impossible for people who don't have the right authorization to enter the database. As we speak, according to him, anybody can enter. You sit here, Director for Electoral Services. You are paid with our taxes. Hold on. You sit here and you say that as at the time we went to do transfer, you did not have a liveliness test system in place. And you want us to trust you. You, assuming that this was even an act of inadvertence, which I don't believe it is. I believe that this is a deliberate criminal act. But assuming without admitting that it is even an act of inadvertence, it means that you are hopelessly incompetent that today you should resign.
You're waiting for waiting and somewhere KT Kevin Taylor will react to a John Dramani Mahama in Sama or they to say we share US ambassador to Ghana. Now one of what you can come for a year election. Ever so a year December 7. So and a year sophobia or warm a Kufudia Methodist for software on also the cancer demonstration and here the moon and say one a dialogue to say one is simple. Now one a car a year and 7 and then a KT go for to say why so for passa or they and some people now to because GCB so and our hello so we can subscribe ya. What do you say over subscribe to channel is answer hadia latest and hot news and Kwana Mide Premo. I feel we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my offer for us so now when you be here now we who and somewhere also will gather me Muhammad. Also bit me at share what you are and so we now will comment box me in my next video.
For watching, like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.